Hello, Carlos. Despite the fact that everyone in our industry already knows what is molecular rebar, I would like to start with who is Black Diamond Structures?
Of course, Maria. Thanks for the opportunity. And the answer is basically that we are the global nanotechnology leader with the mission to help manufacturers to create the next generation of world-class batteries.
And what is this nanotechnology foundation for your products?
Well, our molecular rebar technology is based on discrete, individualized, clean carbon nanotubes. And these bring the active material together, reinforcing the plate structure. So we alter the crystal packing to enhance surface area and modify pore structure, which does improve electrical performance. So since our individual carbon nanotubes restrict the growth of large lead sulfate crystals, we make sure batteries deliver a consistency in performance throughout their lives. So we do alter the DNA of a battery, and that is why our technology is considered the nano connector.
Okay, good, but how does that bring value to a battery manufacturers?
Well, whether the battery manufacturer wants to improve the performance or to decrease the battery costs, we do play a role with our nano connector. Okay, since batteries with molecular rebar perform better and are consistent throughout life, we can help manufacturers to meet the challenging OEM specifications. We can also help them to extend their battery warranty periods or help them to launch premium batteries to capture a greater market share. But also in terms of cost reduction, since our nano connector increases charge acceptance, we optimize formation, which leads to energy savings, and we cause a considerable impact in decreasing the number of batteries that return during the warranty period. This is due to the active material related failures such as paste shedding, overcharge, sulfation, and recently with our new product launch, the PBAC series, we can also decrease positive grid corrosion failures. Yeah, in addition, some customers have successfully decreased the amount of lead anywhere from, let's say, 2 to 10%, and they have added molecular rebar to have proven that in the worst case scenario, the batteries have kept their performance. And therefore, we were able to make a cheaper but more efficient battery. Also more frequent than expected, we have seen that batteries with less lead but with the addition of molecular rebar have outperformed significantly batteries without our individualized carbon nanotubes. Some customers removed an entire plate, as a matter of fact. That's been proven to be possible as well in some cases.
That sounds incredible.
Indeed. In cases where batteries are somewhat overbuilt, we have been able to see an entire plate being removed.
You bring up an interesting point, I should tell you. Can you elaborate on how molecular rebar can help with positive grid corrosion?
Yes, of course. We have recently launched our PBAC series after extensive research and lots of laboratory testing and commercial scale proven results with our developmental partners, which are long-time customers. So basically, we tailored our DNA changing technology to focus on corrosion mitigation. We know that corrosion is unavoidable yet required for lead-acid battery function, and that difficult test standards intensify the corrosion failure. In addition, the field conditions such as temperature, overcharge, overvoltage, they do exacerbate corrosion. The corrosion layer is built during curing and formation, and the gradual wear of this corrosion layer allows the acid to access the alloy. So our PBAC series, they are designed to modify the same corrosion layer to improve the plate robustness.
How does this corrosion layer modification takes place?
Yeah, well, the PBAC technology changes the cured positive active material DNA. During formation, PBAC is what we can call a sacrificial agent, as initially energy goes to lead oxide, lead sulfate, and molecular rebar oxidation. As a result, we see a thinner and denser corrosion layer that shields, that protects the grid from acid to prolong life. We can observe and improve the grid to mass adhesion, and definitely these changes persist through the life of the battery. We have seen this effect in many different types of alloys, and the bottom line is that our nanoconnector enhanced corrosion layer delays the corrosion-related failures, increasing the life of the battery and allowing for extended warranty periods, or less batteries returned during the regular warranty period.
Thanks a lot for such deep technical explanations. And now, very up-to-date question. How can molecular rebar help battery manufacturers in pandemic times?
Yeah, I like the question, Maria, and whether manufacturers want a better performing battery or if they want to save on costs, our technology helps. Okay? Some of the tangible aspects that I can mention are improved life, consistency of performance because the capacity is maintained during the life of the battery, increased CCA duration, less negative active material and positive active material related failure modes, etc. However, our loyal customers have reported the intangible aspects of adopting our nanotechnology, and this is related to brand image with the OEMs, with the distributors, and of course with the end users.
How do you see the after-pandemic future for lead batteries?
Actually, everything that is related to energy storage has a bright future. Not only lead acid batteries, but also lithium ion batteries. Basically, everything that has to do with energy. The more efficient the battery is, or meaning the more optimized, the cheaper, but at the same time efficient, the better for manufacturers, the better for the end users. So everything that is related to energy, I do see a bright future, not only after pandemic, but for a long term.
Many thanks, Carlos, and I wish lots of success, and I wish you to conquer more and more new markets with your great product.
Thank you so much, Maria. It's been a pleasure. Thanks for the opportunity, and I wish you a lot of success and all the
Thank
best.
you.